Hey guys, welcome back to Serene Bookworks. Today I'm just doing a really quick project share that I did last week. I want to say it didn't take me very long. I apologize if you hear all the ruckus in my house. My air conditioning is not working at the moment, so I have fans everywhere going off. So anyway, I just wanted to share this with you really quick. I wanted to make a place to put all of my tags and such that I have got from various friends and other artists. Sort of like a lookbook, I guess, if you will. So I had a really awesome paper pack that I got from Tuesday Morning, and I think it's a Die Cuts with a View. I can't recall right off the top of my head, but it's called Scripted. And I had this old book cover that, you know, how you save things because you think, oh, I'm going to use those one day, and then you don't really get around to using them for what you intended. I just used it for this, and I just covered it with some very basic fabric, nothing too fancy. I didn't go all out on it. And then just covered the front and the back with some paper, and I just thought it was really cool. A work of nonfiction is what that one says. My Sweet Life. I just thought it was really pretty and appropriate. So that's what this is. I used that paper pack, and I based this off of, let me show you here. It is not sewn. It is all glued. And I based this off of little Miss Shaina Boo. She got me for, I believe it was for my birthday, this really awesome little booklet that holds all these die cuts. And I think I may have showed this before. But it is, yes, they're sewing in it, but it's not sewed in. It's all glued. And she said that she found this tutorial from CraftPurge, so I will be sure to link that down below too. And so I just basically went off of what she kind of did here to make mine, and it only took me maybe one afternoon, I think, because it's, you know, really simple, and you just use scraps here and there for your pockets and such. And I just have all of these wonderful little tags and things in here. Things that, here's some more pockets. I of course don't have it all filled yet. Just things that I wanted to keep. This is from Shaina, also I believe for my birthday. These are from Jen. This is from Belle. I made a little envelope here so I can put notes in here. As you can see, I didn't decorate every page yet. I kind of do that as I go. And that's really all it is, but it's just so stinking cute, and I just love it. And now, whenever I am wanting some inspiration, or I want to remember some of the good things that I've received, either as gifts or Happy Mail, or things that I've purchased even, I can go through here and just get a little inspiration. These are from Dolly. Look at that. Ah, this needs to be framed because it's gorgeous. These are from Tracy. So yeah, make yourself a little flip book to hold all of your precious little doodahs in. And I haven't written on anything yet or anything like that. Like I say, it's not done, but I wanted to come on here and show you how super easy it was to make one of these. And I will link the tutorial down below. You guys should make one too. All right. For July, I am going to try on my Instagram to post every day something to journal about. And it won't be anything too heavy or anything like that. You know, it's not, you know, list 5 things that you're grateful for. I don't like to do those lists because, you know, 5 things every day is a lot. Just, you know, give me something fun to journal about. Some of it is, you know, write down one of your mom's favorite recipes, you know, things like that. They are guidelines. You don't have to do them, but I thought that that would be kind of fun. I have a journal that I'm going to use for my 31 day because I believe it's One Book July. So that's what I'm going to do is over on my Instagram, and I will put my Instagram info right up here somewhere. And you can join me on there if you'd like. Like I say, it's just for fun. Get you in the habit of journaling, maybe. And I got that list from my dear friend Betty. So join me on Instagram, and I hope to see you all there. And for right now, ta-ta. We'll see you later. Thanks for dropping by. Bye.